Hello everybody and welcome to Calculus 1, MA310. My name is Matthew Peoples. I'll be your instructor. We meet on Thursday evenings online, but before we get to the class, I wanted to make sure that you had a little bit of background on me and on the course and what to expect. Let's get started. First of all, here I am. Hello everybody. Welcome from Portsmouth, Rhode Island, where I'm talking to you from my little home. Behind you can see our textbook. I wanted to make sure that I had given you just a little bit of an introduction and let you guys know that I'm here and I'm ready to and looking forward to working with you, even though we're not going to be meeting in person. We will be meeting online on a regular basis Thursday nights, and so you'll want to make sure that you kind of have a face associated with the name. Also, you're going to be able to contact me, and I want you to know that I'm looking forward to hearing from you. One of the most important keys to being successful in an online class like this is knowing that you can contact me and actually contacting me. So let's get started right here. If you haven't yet taken the time to sign on to Canvas, now's your big opportunity. Please make sure that you sign in and check out all of the material right here. Your view will not look exactly like my view, but go to course modules and make sure that you take a look at all of the introductory material that I've posted there, along with a few useful links that I hope you'll find useful during the course. So let's get a few basics down. First of all, we are scheduled to meet on Thursday evenings. We're going to use Zoom conferencing. We'll meet from 6 to 8 p.m. It actually might be a little bit shorter than that. The end time may vary. The class is actually scheduled from 5:45 to 9:15 p.m. However, we'll only meet long enough to cover some of the basic concepts from each week. And the remaining time is going to be lab for you to do the work. I do ask you to keep in contact with me if anything is going to come up and you can't attend any of the classes or there's a problem with it. Email me at mpeoples@neit.edu. I monitor this and I respond within 24 hours, usually a lot less. I will also make an appointment to meet with you via Zoom conferencing. I'm sorry, but I don't do social media. I'm not a Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram kind of person at all. So you'll have to forgive me. I just really don't do that kind of thing. Assignments are based on the following categories. So your grade is going to be based on these assignments. First of all, participation. There's nothing for you to submit, but I'm going to talk about how you can get a participation grade based on a class attendance, but other things as well. So bear with me. That's 10% of your grade. There's also a discussion board post, and this is your big chance to write your own midterm and final assignment questions. How's that? You're going to do homework assignments. This is written work that you're going to scan and submit on a weekly basis. We'll also have online quizzes. That's 20% of your grade. Those occur every 2 weeks. A midterm assignment, which is 20%, an online test, and a final assignment, also 20%, that you complete in week 10. So to attend class, you're going to be using, as I'm sure you know by now, the Zoom conferencing app. A weekly invitation is found within each module. I encourage you to participate in the class. That's going to get you a higher participation grade. Participation, by the way, means that you're providing some kind of input during the class. Whether you're asking me a question, providing a response to me, or a classmate, or commenting in some fashion. Don't be a wallflower. Don't lurk. Please participate. Be active. There is an alternative assignment if you cannot make it to class. It basically consists of you watching the video recording and then writing a brief summary of the session using Microsoft Word. And the summary can be a paragraph or a bullet-style list of the main topics that we covered during the class. Please send me the summary via email to mpeoples@neit.edu. To earn a participation grade, you're going to get a weekly participation grade, and I'm going to post that out of 50 points once at week 5 and once at week 10. Participation points themselves are earned by regular participation in weekly meetings, contributing to the weekly discussion board, and your presence in completing the course work. So here's how you'll earn this participation score of 50 points. Each week, you can earn up to 10 points. That's what you'll see listed in the participation grade. Those 10 points that you earn each of those 5 weeks consists of 6 out of those 10 points from the weekly attendance at the class online in Zoom. Also, if you post to the discussion board, any post at all, you post something, that's 2 out of 10 points. And then if you complete your assignment on time, that's the other 2 out of the 10 points. So 6, 2, and 2, that's a total of 10. You do this for 5 weeks times 10, that's your 50 out of 50 points. That's an easy way to get 100%. Discussion board posts, as I said, is your big chance to write your own midterm and final. Well, here's what's really going to happen. I'm going to incorporate some of the questions that you've created and answered. So each week you'll create and post at least one problem and then answer one of your classmates' problem the following week. Now this is going to require 2 separate posts from you, one original problem and one reply to a classmate's problem. So in post number 1, you create and post a problem. And this part of the activity needs to be done early in the week. Your problem must be about the material covered during the week. And then response 1, due by the Wednesday before the next class there, is responding to one of your classmates and answering their question, solving whatever problem it is they post. Homework assignments. So each week you're going to be doing a written homework assignment from the textbook, and you're going to write it out on paper. It consists of 10 to 12 problems that have been selected from the syllabus under the column that says out of class activity. And what you'll need to do is write it out on paper neatly, please. Please, neatly. Use a pencil. Pencils usually work better because at least you can erase some mistakes and replace it with something. Scan that work and upload it as a PDF file to Canvas. Instructions are provided as well as a rubric of how I grade you these homework assignments each week. So please take a look and read over those instructions completely. You'll submit your work via Canvas in a form of a PDF file. You're going to use one of the following methods. Either you can scan your paper homework using one of the NEIT printers. There are some brief instructions right here where you scan a document, use the paper feed for multiple pages so that all your homework is in one file, and then make sure your homework is in one PDF file and upload that file, please. You can use your phone or a tablet to make a photo and then convert it to a PDF using one of the apps like these ones, Genius Scan or Cam Scanner. Make sure you got good lighting when you're doing this, right? Use a desk lamp or something to light it well. And again, make sure your homework is written in one PDF file, not multiple files, please. I appreciate it. Online quizzes occur in even weeks, so there's going to be one in weeks 2, 4, 6, and 8. And they follow up from the work given in any 2-week period. It's an electronic quiz. You get up to 3 chances to get the highest score possible, and I award the highest score that you get. There is no week 10 quiz, as that will be the week of the final assignment. Midterm and final assignments, speaking of which, are online assessments. What's going to happen is that they're going to be questions that are based on your weekly discussion board inputs, as well as mine. The midterm assignment covers only weeks 1 through 5. Given during week 5 only, there is one retake allowed in this electronic assignment, but it must be completed by the end of week 5. Similarly, for the final assignment, covers the materials from week 6 through 10. Given during week 10 only, one retake allowed, must be completed by the end of week 10. All right, and that's it. If you have any questions, please contact me, mpeoples@neit.edu, And as it's said in my favorite book, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, don't panic. Good luck, guys.